Psych!
While exploring the West Edmonton Mall, I found this place here. They make you custom dog tags. So I'm gonna try to get mine with my logo made on a gold pendant. This is gonna be interesting.
How many members you got?
Right now it's 57 only, but like I said, I just started during COVID, so things are a bit slow, but hopefully things pick up.
Baby stuff, right?
Yeah. But as soon as I'm just waiting on the second vaccine so that I can travel to different places without
any restrictions?
Yeah, without any restrictions, and coming back is such a headache right now. Nice. Yeah, it's perfect.
Excited or kind of? That's the magic begin.
It's placing your new prints. That's neat. Oh, that's very cool. I always wondered how they did that.
Totally different.
Yeah, that's cool.
So what do you do for work?
I used to do web design, web and graphic design in Vancouver, but then, you know, with everything closing, it was so hard. So right now I'm just not doing much. A bit of freelance here and there, and that's about it. Hopefully things start picking up again.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Clean camera.
Yep, thanks. I was at the I went to the water park with some friends, but they don't let you film in there.
Really?
I don't know. They say you can film, but you can't film inside the water. I guess because there's people in bathing suits and stuff.
Ladies.
I'm not trying to film them. Yeah.
You know that word, man.
Yeah, you gotta just follow rules.
Oh, that's better. They could be known for something.
Yeah, I know. I understand. There's perverts out there, but
No, like even the more employees something. If they kind of get onto you, they'll harass you basically.
Oh, pretty much, yeah.
More, right?
Yeah, I tried hiding the camera, and they kept watching me. It was,
That's what I'm saying.
yeah, so I just put it in the locker, and that was it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that looks great. Wow, that is cool.
Better than you thought, right?
Way better. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. Came out good. I like it.
Makes a big difference.
I love it. Yeah.
One has a special surface. And plus your logo already has some like gold in it. It's kind of
Yeah, it actually worked out perfectly. Just get that's your information there.
That's right.
Oh. Come see John here at Quality Custom Tags. There's his number. Where he's at in the West Edmonton Mall. Very good job. These are cool.
My friend, that's it.
It's amazing how many stuff you can do nowadays with technology.
Yeah, I know. Like, imagine you do by hand before.
Yeah, I know. Oh, you just print it all.
$420.
Alright.
Thanks for taking jokes too.
Thank
Little
you.
warm.
Okay, sure, yeah.
Just
Put it
got
on.
the fun for now.
And you accept debit
Yes.
card, right? Okay. Oh, that looks good. These are other tags they have pre-made you can get. Some of them are on sale. Thank you. Lots of cool stuff. Got Marley there, Pokemon, Fortnite, Grand Theft Auto, Superman. But this was cool. Which way are we going? This way. It's really cool. Got my own tag. It cost me 42 bucks. It's 30 plus tax, but because I got it on the gold pendant, it was 42 bucks. So $10 extra for the gold pendant. But that's cool. I'm gonna start wearing this everywhere. Look at that. I like it. He's on the second floor of the West Edmonton Mall. Almost near in front of Marshall's. I'm on top of the second floor of the West Edmonton Mall. We're right above Bourbon Street, where all the restaurants are, and right before T&T Supermarket, which is a well-known Canadian Asian supermarket. It has this beautiful little Asian Zen garden type of thing. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I'm gonna try and finish this before my battery dies. I got 5%. You can walk across the bridge. More of a Zen garden on that side as well. Both sides. So beautiful. Another great thing to check out. Second floor, the West Edmonton Mall, right above Bourbon Street. Look at this end of the West Edmonton Mall on the second floor. We call this section of the mall Europa. It's made to look like Europe. Lots of old European style buildings built on top. I don't know if are they hotel rooms? Maybe. I'm not sure. And underneath is the mini golf. Whoa, that looks cool. It's like a cool mini golf putt-putt course to play at. But this is just amazing. Made to look like European, old-fashioned European buildings. It's cool. More of the putt-putt golf down there. It's called Adventure Golf at the West Edmonton Mall. They really had a whole bunch of great ideas when they made this mall. Oh, look at this side too. To me it looks like they're hotel rooms. Maybe they're part of Fantasyland. There's a hotel here called Fantasyland that has a whole bunch of themed hotel rooms. Space ones and cowboys, race cars. I don't remember them all. It's a whole bunch. But it might be part of that maybe. Who knows? I was just passing by the Lego store. I had to stop and look at this. A Lamborghini built out of Legos. Steering wheel gears inside. That is so cool. That's amazing. Someone has really got some skills. Whoa. Can you start it? What? Oh, it's cool. It lights up and all. Holy crap. Whoa. That's awesome. That is so cool. Thank you. That is so cool.
Thank you.
Hopefully that's not the one I win. Someone's seriously got some amazing skills at building with Legos. Let's see what else we can find. Looks like this is the entrance to Marine Life. I wanted to go here, but there's not enough time to do everything. There's so much to do in this mall. You go underneath the West Edmonton Mall. I got it right for once. And they got an aquarium down there. It's supposed to be really cool. Only $10 for a ticket. Unfortunately, they close early. They close at 5. We got here late and we did the water park instead, which now I regret because they didn't let me film. Meanwhile, the water park would have let me film at water park. Meanwhile, the marine life caverns, or whatever they're called, the aquarium, they would have let me film. So I should have done that instead. Cheaper too. Well, now I know for next time. So they're supposed to be closed already, the water park. But I see there's 3 people inside surfing. Maybe they're staff. Looks like the waves are a lot more rough than usual. There's someone else way out there as well. There's like 5 or 6 people surfing. Maybe let the staff do it after hours. That's one lucky staff. I've had enough of the water park though. Check it out, I dinged myself on the water slide. You'll see that video on the Water Park Adventures video. I hope I got a good video of that because it was terrifying, that water slide. I did as much exploring as I could in the few hours I had left. It's 20 minutes into closing here at the West Edmonton Mall. My legs are tired. My phone battery's at 6%. I gotta get an Uber back to my hotel. My friends retired after water park, so they abandoned me. This is where I say goodbye. Thanks for watching. While I explore the West Edmonton Mall, I definitely gotta plan another trip out here just to explore it for a few days. But be sure to keep on looking out for more new videos. Hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, give me a like or a thumbs down, whatever you want, I don't care. Just let me know you're watching the video, and see you next time. Finally found a mall exit. This place is so huge. I've been searching for an exit for 20 minutes now. Thanks for watching. See ya.